Alright, we're here in the Dracula Parrot Duel, lower bracket, against Sim17, the legend. The most successful tournament player in the Discord with the most wins. I'm not scared, you're scared. No, it's a best of one, anything can happen. We lost the coin flip, we're going second. And I see the plover kind of discount Blackbird. Probably going to be a hard game for us. We had a good game with the plover the other day. Got a 130 plus score with it. Like, it's not your dream bird, but it'll work. So I do wonder if that's going to get taken. Drongo obviously exists. Who cares about Drongo? Alright, let's see what we got. Well, we have Moorhen. Do love a good Moorhen game. And the Rock Pigeon, which could be good. I am just a little bit worried about the food situation. If they do take the plover, I kind of don't feel bad about playing this Rock Pigeon. So I think... I really like this collared dove, but I mean... large bird, I guess. You're not large, why aren't you larger? It's just the keep. Like, Moorhen's just too expensive. I really don't like this Rock Pigeon. It's not a very good bird. But if they take the plover, then it could be like okay. Maybe we just keep the kelp gull. I would take the Moorhen if I had better food access. Yeah, okay. Yeah, unsurprisingly, both of them get snapped up. If they're going after the Oriole, probably means they've got Yellowhammer and this game is pretty doomed. So you're digging Pingu, Kia, Logi, Dove. Interesting. Right then. They are 100% playing Drongo after this, so go reset, see what we can find, maybe. Alright, go Drongo. The Woodstalk. The Blackstalk is good. You can get an egg out of it if nothing else. I could do like Stork Kingfisher or something. These are just not the birds I want to find. I have to leave the Stork. And we get completely punished for it. Okay, the J. I can work with the J. I can work with that. I'll take that if it's still there. Even this hawk I can work with. I could do. What's the plan here? We have to think about what we're doing. I think we have to try for the end of round. How much food do you have? You got plenty of food. I'm thinking maybe this Kingfisher is a good idea, but it probably isn't. Currently thinking maybe we should take the hawk. Hawk, eggs, stork. Because I think his next two turns are going to be play and eggs or play. I think we definitely taking eggs. I think this is just the prudent thing to do. I don't really see an alternative. Alright, their last turn is eggs, that's fine. I think... it's either prep the J or prep the Hawk. I think we want to take the Hawk here. Rosella. Okay. Not the game for you, I'm afraid. Not the game for you. With Drongo? It's giving away 2 nectars. It's kind of not good. But yeah, I think we're taking food, playing the Hawk, taking food, playing the J. Trying to find ourselves an egg option in the interim, but it's going to be a tough game. We don't have a lot to work with. I mean, Black Swan synergizes really well with the game plan. It is very hard to overlook that. This is already worth... yeah, I think this is just too valuable. Whether I want this Magpie Lark, probably not going to have too many eggs this game. Hallelujah, okay. That's a huge find. Okay. And I could have had a Chipping Sparrow. Well, 0 chance that that's still there. I was really considering spinning that egg as well, but you just don't know what's coming. Yeah, Flycatchers come up. I mean, I can't do anything about that. Alright, and then I guess we get rid of the next worst card, which is this Rosella because of the Drongo. We'll take a rat here. I think now I want to play Hawk. If I can take food and slam this penguin down, I'm feeling good about life. The consolation prize right now is that neither of us have good draw. The bad news is they've got good egg access. Alright, I'm gonna take some nectar here. Yeah, we basically have our wetlands already predetermined because we are playing this because we're probably going to draw a little bit more into Woodstock. I actually do it this way. Into Black Swan. Maybe I want this ash-throated. Maybe I want it. think I do, like, even 3 eggs right now is kind of huge. Ibis, yeah, okay. Gale quail, manager. Unfortunate. Yeah, the play here may not even be to build out much more of a forest, actually. I think we are looking to try and find some stuff to play, really. Yeah, the points are not looking too good at the moment. The robins come up. And the crow. That's really good for you, actually. Wouldn't be surprised if the crow gets taken here. Might be a bit late for the robin, but... I think we are taking food, playing Woodstock, taking cards. Food, Woodstock, cards. Interesting, now playing the plover. Okay. Do I want this robin? I think this is around where I just want to qualify, I think. So if I take the robin, I can cycle the quail. Really relying on this flycatcher to do some work for us. Okay, this is at least interesting. I think we play Phil. I think we might even play it this round. It's just, A, it's a little bit of a Hail Mary, but B, it's a big bird. It synergizes with our bonus card. We can get the point off the Black Swan. Like, I think it makes sense to do, and potentially end of round implications. Red Start. Red Start solves a lot of problems. I'm just going to trust that the Red Start's going to stay there. I actually can't take food here, can I? Hold on. We play Robin, food, red start. And we can play Flycatcher for a bigger play. Yeah, we're piecing something together here. Okay, a bit late to go down, but go down you shall. Yeah, as expected, they play the crow. That'll be food, red start, eggs, eagle. I think that's the play. What do I do here? Do I need to spend this card? One seed, 3 worms, that pays for the red start, and then... I think we don't need to spend the card here. Yeah, I'll take another nectar. I mean, I don't like taking nectar, but it'll be fine. Might have too many birds to play next round, but I think we're definitely playing the ash-throated. We? Maybe not. Maybe not. intend to play this guy, but I may not. Magpie Lark. Let me just do this. And Slam Fill. This is just a much better board. I definitely feel that we're slipping. I mean, we really need some bonuses to go huge for us, or some miracle, basically. We are very, very behind in this game. It's mostly because we didn't have any good draw. Maybe the Kelp Gull getting extra cards was the wrong decision. Maybe I should have been flipping the tray. We just didn't have a very good opening hand. But maybe we can get lucky with Phil. Flycatcher's with 8 points, okay. But yeah, I mean, we're playing Phil, we're playing Woodstalk, we want to play definitely Woodstalk and Black Swan, then we have to decide between Kia. Slam you down. Yeah, it's gonna be a tough game. It's not looking good. We'll say that much. Alright, let's give Phil an egg. Unfortunate. Alright, well, we will take 3 nectar. We will cycle the J. We'll take nothing. We'll take a... I'll take a seed, actually. And we might take food again. How much food do I need to play? I need 9 food. I'm getting 4 a turn. I really need to make the decision between Kia and the Ash Thread. Maybe I think I have to play Kia. Kia can be a big play, winning this for me. Do we need the eggs? I need 6 eggs and I have 7, so should be fine. I think we throw... Lit. Goodbye, Flycatcher. That's a lot of nectar. So we need to spend 3 nectar in up here, so just keep that in mind. And spend 4 nectar down here, so we do it like this. We will leave the fill egg alone for the time being. No, if I'm gonna leave the fill egg alone for the time being, then I simply take off these two for now. Well, that's kind of funny. We might get some points off Behaviorist. Here is now Behaviorist points, but there's so much nectar there, so... I'm kind of tempted to take more nectar, actually. I think the nectar swing is more important than hitting Behaviorist though, so... we shall go for that instead. Red Wing Parrot, we'll slam you down. I mean, I probably... I probably take... Do I probably take food again? We do it this way, I guess. I'm gonna sell on so many eggs. Oh well. And we take nectar. It's tough to say what to do here. Maybe we just play Kia and take eggs. You can have a maximum of 4. Okay, so we are hitting. Yeah, I guess we just take... We take non-nectar. We don't give any more nectar away. So I'm gonna get 1, 2, 3, 4 plus the 5th one here. I still don't think we're winning this game. The points are not looking good, but... This one's missing 2 points over here as well. So it's like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 points. That's okay, it's still good. Laid eggs. Okay. Right, because if I take 3, I can get to 7. But you can just easily outspend me. I don't think that's the path. Lapwing. Hilarious. If I had one more turn, he would have scored me a lot of points. But we play Kia, we clear up Phil and Woodpecker. Red start Stalk. Just fingers crossed we can find a couple more points, because the points are not good in this game. We need a miracle. We need a miracle. Oyster Catcher wins the nectar, damn it. Funny. I'll take a Raven. And we already kind of high rolled. How much food do you have? 1. Well, it was a good Kia play. Alright, Phil. Oh my god, Phil actually worked. We got 5 points of site selection. That is actually hilarious. We have to do you first, then you. And we're gonna get over 100, so... How did I get 5 points of site selection? That's actually funny. I got a point off every column. That is really funny. A couple more points from the Swan. Alright, we got a decent amount of points, but not a good number of points. I don't expect to win this game. I think we just really struggled with card draw. We got kind of done. At least we're winning on bonus, getting a bit of bonuses, that's nice. Should be pretty even on eggs. We did have a few tucks, so that's good. Oh, we might actually clutch this. What the fuck? I did not expect to win this. What the hell? Oh, unfortunate bonuses. Wow, I didn't see that coming. I am genuinely shocked. I thought we were done for. But yeah, we played to a plan. It wasn't a very good plan. We got very lucky on site selection. Though site selection wasn't the difference, but we just played to a plan and stuck with the plan, and we kind of hobbled over the line. I mean, it's not a glorious victory by any stretch of the imagination, but I mean, it was enough. I mean, Sim is a really good player, so I mean, I feel like we pulled a rabbit out of the hat on this one. Very, very shocked that we won this one. Yeah, just the synergy between Black Swan and Large Bird. Just a lot of points from playing big birds. So yeah. Well, I guess we live to fight another day. That's pretty cool.